Greetings from Vancouver, Canada, friends. My name's Cam Roxburgh. I'm excited about the week ahead, for this is the week we officially start Ethos in Wales. And I'm excited about that, not only because my family has roots in Wales, but because I really do believe that God's up to something in your midst. Numbers of you have expressed disappointment that you can't participate in Ethos for any number of reasons. Not to worry, for there's another option, and that option is the Explore option. We used to call it the Discovery Project, for in it we spend time discovering the missionary nature of God. We discover how God's at work in the world, and also we discover how God invites us to participate with Him in the mission that He's accomplishing. We do this in all kinds of ways. We look at issues of worship and how that's part of mission. Or we look at the text and how we see God's story as part of mission. We look at issues of stewardship and issues of loving our neighbor. And of course, issues of learning to live in community so that we bear witness to God in all things that we do. We start this project, or we start this Explore process together in October with monthly Zoom calls. And if you're not able for any reason to start with us in Ethos, I really do encourage you to step into Explore and sign up for that so that we can have this journey over the next year together, exploring what it means to join God on mission. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks.